Hello everybody, thanks and welcome to your Chommy se braai. Yeah, it are all fun and nice here. With kids are playing by the pool there, and the ball are getting thrown around and the dogs are barking. But we're here for a braai. Okay, hier at die Tanner Choppy. Everyone brings charcoal and hout and goodies, and everyone says, Daddy braai with charcoal, Daddy braai with wood. I braai with wood. Okay, because I come from a bush. Okay. Now the problem is, everyone sit around there, they bring charcoal, they bring wood and all the other stokkies that they picked from the bushes there. But by that time you're already gehonger. Okay. And no one started a fire. And there's only one block here of firelighters. And if it's vrek, your chommy bring a paraffin, hy bring a petrol, hy bring a spirits, but die vuur wil nie start nie. So make sure, when you go braai, you bring your braai delight. Come on baby, light my fire.
Want ons gaan vlees braai, word door die hand kraai. Môre boer weer aan, tot die volgende aan. Vlees het mos al wat al ken jy, hoeveel niks meer te gee. Hoekom sal hulle vir popkos vraas, dit al sooi brand gee. Met 'n choppie en 'n rooster, koek op die kool en 'n kasel in die hand. Praat al die wêreld wil aandeed aan die brand, want ons gaan vlees braai, word door die hand kraai. Lagte sal laat nie wees, die is al lang vergeet, want ons gaan vlees braai, word door die hand kraai. Môre boer weer aan, tot die volgende aan.
Nou gerus braai. Can you see that?